Namaskar everybody. I hope you are doing well at home. Today we are going to learn conversion of units. First we will learn about metric unit chart. This chart is used to understand the relationship between various units of measurements. As you can see, there is written base unit in the center. This base unit of measurement or standard unit of measurement is used in daily life. There are three base units: meter, which is used for length; gram, used to measure weight; and liter for capacity. Let's first understand the metric unit chart to get a grip on conversion of units. All these words which are shown here, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi and milli, are prefixes used for units of measurements. Let's take base unit as meter to understand it better. First thing, unit on right side is always smaller than unit on left side of the chart. For example, if we compare centimeter and millimeter, we have to see the position of these two units. Millimeter is on right side of centimeter, so millimeter is smaller than centimeter. Second thing, we always multiply or divide by 10 at every step for conversion. This point will be clear to you in the next slide. Remember, there are two important rules for conversion. First rule is SBD, means whenever we have to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. For example, here we have to convert 734 milligrams into grams. So first point, spot these two units in the metric unit chart. Milligrams is on right side and grams, which is the base unit, is on left side. It means we are converting smaller unit into bigger unit. We will divide. Divide by what? See how many steps we have to jump from milligrams to reach grams. 3 steps. So 10 multiplied 3 times, that is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, we will get 1000. So 734 will be divided by 1000. We will get 0.734 grams. That is 734 milligrams is equal to 0.734 grams. Second rule, BSM. B stands for bigger unit, S into smaller unit, M means to multiply. So to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we will multiply. For example, conversion of decimeter into millimeter requires multiplication. Why? Because decimeter is on left side and millimeter is on right side. So we are converting bigger unit into smaller unit by jumping 2 steps. So 10 will be multiplied by 10. So 12 will be multiplied by 100 to get it converted into millimeters. So what have we learnt till now? We have learnt that each unit gets smaller as we move from left side to right side on a metric unit chart. We have also learnt that we multiply for converting bigger units to smaller units, that is BSM, bigger to smaller multiplication. And we should divide for converting smaller units to bigger units, that is SBD. With this, I hope that you will enjoy solving problems related to conversions. Thank you so much and have a smiling day.